Page 16, the church organ. Now we got another technique in pedaling. It's called legato pedaling, overlap pedaling, syncopated pedaling. And this is where you want sound all the time. There's no silence in between them like we've been doing before. Now, written music, over the years, they've had different indications for pedaling. So when you get a piece of music, who knows what indication it's going to have. The indication you're using in this piece is the most common. You'll see this the most. It shows a couple others up above. The one with the PED is the second one up above. It was the third one they show. It's got ped. Well, when you see the ped, that's when you put the pedal down. And if you just see another ped, that's an indication of a change pedal. If they wanted you to just lift the pedal up, it would be an asterisk. So it would be the PED to put it down and an asterisk to lift it up. You'll see that sometimes. Or ped, ped, ped means sometimes you see the asterisk and a ped. And there you have to figure out, well, do they want a little silence between the pedals or do they want to change pedal? And this, because written notation is not exact. And sometimes they make mistakes and they interpret things incorrectly what the composer wanted. So you have to kind of make your best guess on what the composer really wanted. Or you have a teacher and they just tell you what you, okay. First, of course, let's get these chords. It's in common time or 4/4 time. No sharps or flats. We got accidentals, but this is in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the C major scale, at least one octave up and down, and the A minor scale, because it also has no sharps. We're doing both. I'm going to kind of take both hands together here because these are just chords. So we start with a C chord here, and they want a 3/5 here, so it's here, and then we're going to come down here. It's a 5/7 chord. That's it, and then here, and then a B flat, and then here it's an A C, and then up here. So you work out these chords at your pace. Second line, you come up here, and then here 2/4 in the right hand, and then a 1/5 in the right hand. I do a 2 there in the left, and because in the right hand we're doing. I can connect them, and I will if I can. Yeah, and the right hand, left hand is, and then here. It's a stretch to do that is the reason, but. So that works out well, and then the third measure, second line, you're here. A natural sharp, then an A flat. It's still an F sharp there now. It's good for the whole measure, and then it's an F natural. They don't need a natural sign there, but it doesn't hurt, so that's fine. And try a 1, 2 here, because you're holding that down here, and then you do that some more. It's the same as the first line. And then the last line, you're up here, and then here, and then you have a G flat, A flat in the right hand, and then second one you have an F, D flat, and a D flat, A flat. So that second measure is here to here. It's or, and then come back to earth. And on the end, here, I do a 1/4 for the last one, and here you can do a 3 here, because you're kind of in that position, if you want. So you get in the chords, and then the dynamics, as far as articulation goes, there isn't any. You connect everything as best you can, but it's soft, and that's both hands. Whatever you think soft. Makes nice background music when you're sitting in church. It's supposed to be meditating or thinking about wonderful things, I guess. And you end up thinking about what the neighbor's wearing and, yeah, how ugly is that dress against those shoes, or what are they thinking? But then you're listening to this background music again, and it kind of puts you in the mood to gossip or whatever you want to do while you're sitting in church. I'm not being very nice here, am I? But then I kind of got turned off to church a long time ago because that's what I observed. A bunch of hypocrites. So I can be a hypocrite at home, so I don't need that. So anyway, then you add the pedal. Now this is where the lag pedaling comes in. The pedal does its thing after the notes. So at the beginning we push the notes down first, and then I play the notes, and then I change the pedal. I lift the pedal up and right back down after I play the notes. So it overlaps them just a little bit. And the whole piece is marked that way, and that's what this kind of marking is. This is the most common type of pedaling we do in any piece of music you're playing. Once you get past the mechanics and you start getting into it, and you can get into most anything, even this, you feel it, you start interpreting it. That means you're going to get a little louder and softer as you feel it. They're giving you ideas here with these hairpins, these swells. They're telling you to get a little louder and softer throughout. But get to where you can feel these. So in the first line, you're just starting soft. Dies away on its own. And then second line, you're moderately loud here, and go down to soft a little bit, a little softer. Now you're soft, and a little louder, softer, soft. So you're changing the dynamics a little bit and make it a little louder here, and then soft. And the last line, you go up moderately loud, actually. It's so a little louder, go up to bottom, moderately loud here. And then moderately loud, moderately soft, soft. See, I'm kind of forcing the dynamics. I'm making the dynamics mechanical. But I want to get to where I'm feeling the dynamics, and I just do it. And that's really what happened. That's what you need to do. I like to play this with you very slowly. It's a slow piece. Andante sostenuto is a casual, sustained walk. Don't be in a hurry here. It's a stroll. But it's the flow of the piece that's the stroll, not the beat. So what do you think? A casual stroll, not slow, just it's the feel of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a little fast for an andante, but it's the feel of this. It's all half notes, so it's like, okay, this is what it feels like. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's play this together slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4.